Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials out of the way so the Google experience works smoothly. Connect the TV to a stable Wi-Fi network first, because Search and Assistant need internet. Once connected, update system firmware via Settings System about to avoid compatibility issues. Next, sign into the Google account you'll use. Make sure sync and required permissions are allowed so apps, voice search, and recommendations can access your data. Once done, you're ready to launch Google services and proceed to configuration. Now you configure the apps and voice features that make Google useful on TV. Open the Google app or trigger Assistant and accept microphone and location permissions so voice queries and contextual results work. Without those, you'll get limited responses. Adjust voice match and the assistant language in Settings Assistant to improve recognition for accents and phrasing. Then install or update key Google Play apps like YouTube and Google TV. Make sure app permissions and background data are enabled so recommendations, casting, and searches function reliably. Finish by fine-tuning preferences and knowing how to fix common problems quickly. Turn on personalized recommendations and watch history in Google TV settings so search suggestions learn from what you watch. If Assistant mishears you, reboot the TV, verify mic permissions, and retrain voice match. Small tweaks often fix recognition. If Google search or app results fail, clear the app cache, update apps, and as a last step, remove and re-add your Google account. This resolves sync and authentication errors most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.